Hello everybody, welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. I'm really excited today because we are making one of my favourite weekend breakfast recipes, and that is pancakes. These pancakes are made with lemon and poppy seed, which makes them incredibly refreshing and not too sickly, which in my opinion is the perfect balance for pancakes in the morning. They're light, fluffy, and they're also low carb and free from grain, gluten and dairy. And with pancake day not too far away, this recipe will be awesome for both big kids and little kids. So without further ado, let me show you how to make them.
Begin by adding the following ingredients to a bowl. 35 grams of coconut flour, 105 grams of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, and mix everything together. You'll then need to grab yourself another large mixing bowl and add half a cup of coconut milk and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and whisk both ingredients together until bubbly. Then you'll need to add 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and 3 large organic eggs before whisking once more. Once done, slowly add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and fold everything together. Now for the fun part. These pancakes are slightly smaller than traditional pancakes, so I like to pour 1 large heaped tablespoon of the mixture to a well-oiled pan on low to medium heat. Pour as many pancakes into the pan that you can possibly fit and then cook for 3 to 4 minutes before flipping. Because these pancakes are quite thick, you'll need to cook them slightly slower to ensure they cook all the way through. Once you flip them, cook them on the other side again for another 3 to 4 minutes and rinse and repeat until you used up all of your mixture. I then like to top my pancakes with fresh berries and a little drizzle of honey or agave nectar. If you love this recipe, then make sure you also check out our sugar-free chocolate lava cake. I think you'll really love it. And that's it, easy as 1, 2, 3. Enjoy guys, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos.